In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tasks and reminders in Google Calendar. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by scattered to-do lists, using tasks in Google Calendar is a simple way to keep everything in one place. Google has been moving traditional reminders into tasks, so when you want something to nudge you at the right time, you'll create a task directly in your calendar. It behaves like a reminder, but gives you more control and visibility. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're looking at the date you want to plan for. You can use month, week, or day view, whatever helps you see your schedule clearly. If you're planning ahead, navigate to the right month. If you're working on today, stay on the current view. Next, click directly on the date where you want your task to appear. In month view, click the date square. In week or day view, you can click a specific time slot if timing matters. This opens a small creation window where you choose what you're about to add. From that window, select Task. This is important. Events block time on your calendar, while tasks are checklist items that can be completed. Tasks appear with a checkmark icon and can still have a date, time, and notifications, which makes them perfect for reminders that you intend to finish. Give your task a clear descriptive name. Short and actionable is best, something you can recognize at a glance. Think phrases like send project update, call the vendor, or review budget draft. The more specific you are, the easier it will be to prioritize later. Now add the details you need. Set the date and, if necessary, a specific time so you will get a timely notification rather than an all-day reminder. Use the details field to include context like key points, a link you'll need, or a quick checklist in plain text. If you organize tasks into lists, choose the appropriate list so it's grouped with similar work. You can also set the task to repeat from here if it's something you do regularly, and adjust the reminder notification to suit your workflow. When everything looks right, click Save. Your task will appear on the date you selected, and if you added a time, it will show up in your schedule just like an appointment. On the day, you'll see the checkmark icon, which indicates you can mark it done when you complete it. If you need to change anything later, simply click the task to edit the name, time, details, or list. And that's it. By adding tasks directly to your calendar, you're turning reminders into a reliable system you'll actually follow. Keep your titles clear, add just enough detail, set a time when it matters, and you'll stay on track without clutter or guesswork.